Oh, hey, hey, the skies are dome. Oh, hey, hey, we're far from home. Roll out the canvas, stake the ground. The forest hums a welcome sound. The firewood's dry, the breeze is sweet. The grass feels soft beneath our feet. Nothing's perfect, but it's perfect with you. Pitch the tent, my friend, in the golden glow. Tie it tight, let the night wind blow. We've got stories to share, stars to attend. So pitch the tent, my friend. You hold the pole, I loop the rope. We built this camp with love and hope. The zipper's stuck, oh well, who cares? The moonlight's climbing up the stairs. Let the coyotes sing their lullaby. We'll toast our dreams under the sky. Wrapped in blankets, hearts unwind. In this little home we stitched and lined. Pitch the tent, my friend, in the golden glow. Tie it tight, let the night wind blow. We've got stories to share, stars to attend. So pitch the tent, my friend.
Is the far corner over there got a string on it?
Think so.
I think so.
Sobrang lambot ng lupa dito. Tapos hindi namin alam kung sana siya, prosper. Kasi nga malambot, is mahangin pa naman dito. Kasi sabi niya, wala na siyang tiwala sa tent ko.
What happened to lunch?
Lunch?
Yes, what happened?
We already eat lunch, right? Before we leave
What did
home.
we now? What did we eat? To get this undone, all you got to do is pull that right there. That'll do just like that, okay? Knots are very useful.
Alam niya ginawa niya. Oh. Dinoble niya na sobrang lamig kasi kanina.
Hindi ako tumakas, napagod lang ako.
always asking the same question.
Sa paulit-ulit na sakit na hindi ko mabuo.
Lamig niya! Lamig!
Walang sigaw, walang drama, tahimik lang. Pero durog na talaga, dahan-dahan akong lumayo. Kahit walang direksyon, bit-bit ko lang yung bigat. Mga tanong na walang sagot. Hindi lahat kailangan kong ayusin. Minsan sarili ko muna ang kailangan kong damhin. Hindi pa buo, pero hindi nawasak. Unti-unti kong binabalik ang sarili ko sa akin lang. Hindi pa okay, pero kaya ko na huminga ulit. Kahit dahan-dahan. Maybe I'm not alright tonight, pero hindi na ako nawawala. Sa gitna ng dilim, may hawak na akong ilaw. Kahit mahina, tuloy lang.
Right, it's getting dark. We can get everything done. We're going to get done.
May apoy sa harap ko,
Yep.
parang ako. Tahimik pero pilit na
always need to go back.
Yes.
What else needs to go? Probably it's... What else?
May apoy sa harap ko, parang ako tahimik pero pilit na nabubuhay pa rin. Walang kailangang patunayan, sa wakas pwede na akong huminto sandali. Hindi pala kailangan maging matapang lang. Minsan sapat na hindi ka sumuko sa sarili. Hindi pa buo, pero hindi na wasak. Unti-unti kong binabalik ang sarili.
Magigrill sana ako, kaso sobrang hangin sa labas. Ang sabi ng asawa ko, hindi daw siya ideal na mag-grill ng ganito kalakas ang hangin, lalo na siya gabi. So, yan.
Sa gitna ng dilim, may hawak na akong ilaw. Kahit mahina, tuloy lang. Kung bukas masakit pa rin, okay lang. Hindi ko na pipilitin maging okay agad. Kung mabagal man tatanggapin ko, kasi ngayon hindi ko na tinatakbuhan sarili ko. Pero hindi na
Hindi makaslip sa bed, ayaw pa akyatin ni Dodo. Look at the wind. It feels like it's signal number 1. Wow, sobrang lamig dito. Tingnan nyo yung bundok na yun. Part pa yan ng Mount Apu yata. Sobrang ganda dito. Sunrise will be 5:45 a.m. So yan yung tent namin. Tingnan nyo yung hangin, oh. Sobrang lakas. Yan. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Ooh. Hi. Yan. At saka, itong weekend na to, parang walang tao. Ilan lang kaming nagka-camp dito, 1, 2, 3. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung meron doon. Bawal kasi kami doon kasi may pet kami. So, dito kami sa baba. And it's okay kasi walang harang sa namin. Wow, look at that. That's the city of Davao. Alam niyo ba, hindi kami dapat punta dito. Doon dapat kami sa Eden Nature Park. Kaso may nangyaring hindi maganda. So, para matuloy yung camping namin, napunta kami dito. So nice to be here!
kahit dahan-dahan. Maybe I'm not alright tonight, pero hindi na ako nawawala. Sa gitna ng dilim,
Wow. Ah, blah. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito. Oh my God. Nakaka-inlove.
It's 1 a.m. and the house is quiet. Your sweater is still on the back of that chair. I talk to the dark like you might reply. Still half expect to see you there. Grief doesn't knock, it just walks in with your laugh or a song we used to spin. But you're still a light in the hallway, still the calm in my chest when I shake. You're the voice saying, breathe, you'll be okay. Though you're gone, you're not erased. You're the part of me I get to keep in every tear, in every dream.
Chloe.
You'll be okay.
Chloe.
Though you're gone,
Chloe.
erased. You're
You're
the
so
part of
beautiful.
me I
Ah!
get to keep in every tear.
Good morning. Magluluto tayo ng breakfast. And, pero bago yan, umiiyak siya kasi nag-iintay sa dada niya. Umalis kasi nag-walking. Mag-marinate muna ako ng chicken pang lunch. And then, pati na rin pang dinner, mamarinate ko na rin yung aking pork belly para mamayang dinner. And, bago ako magluto ng breakfast. Yung oil para lang hindi mag-dry yung ihawin natin mamaya kasi ano to, puro chicken tayo na wala ng balat para hindi siya mag-dry. And then ito, sarap nito. Lagyan natin ng chili powder para lalong masarap. Tansya-tansya lang, din the garlic. Ito dadak no? Another what, table? No? Cook now?
What?
I am about to cook breakfast, okay? Fried rice. This?
Chicken.
Yes.
Oh, chicken.
Oh. The other side, no, it's okay there. The other side, it's like to put everything before turning.
I can't see over in the pan, see if it's level in the pan. Is it level in the
Yes,
pan?
it's level now. Yes,
Can't tell.
there's something more like that. Little more. Yes.
Oh. Good thing about that. Morning.
No, that's right. Naghihintay kay Dada. Ayan, oh.